Our first competitioner from the Best Dressed Pageant is Grotto. Grotto's feather color is brown, and her eyes are a golden orange. For our Best Natural Beauty is Elvira. Come to the stage, Elvira. Elvira's feathers are multicolored, and her eyes are golden orange. For the most graceful talent is little Kendall. Kendall's feather color is blonde, and her eyes are piercing brown. For the best attitude is Michelin. Michelin's feather color is blondish brown with a hint of gold, and her eye color is a glassy brown. For the best personality is Valken. Valken's feather color is black, and her eyes are a piercing obsidian.
That was weird too.